The power cord passes through the cord guard as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord guard gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord guard is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord is prone to kinking or the wire insulation can be rubbed through. Replacing the cord guard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the housing from the rear handle. With the cover removed, I have access to the tool's wiring. Next, I'll remove the cord clamp. Now I'll pull the switch from the housing and rotate it over so I can access the screws that connect the cord wires. I'll note the location of the wires and then go ahead and remove them. Now I can remove the cord from the housing, and I'll remove the cord guard. I'll install the new cord guard by inserting the wires through it and pulling it over the wire's insulation. Next, I'll reconnect the wires to the switch. Now I'll place the switch back into the housing along with the cord. I'll make sure there's about 3/4 of an inch of the cord insulation extending through the cord guard so that the clamp will have something to grab into. Then I'll go ahead and reinstall the clamp. And I'll make sure all the wires are tucked out of the way. And then I can reinstall the housing. And that's how easy it is to replace the cord guard in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.